with another Khao Soi for you in Chiang Mai. This Teenee's like a Khao Soi guide to Chiang Mai, but this one's crazy special. This one's recommended by my buddy Leon. Say hello to Teenee.
Hey, hello, Teenee.
Yes, so tell us about this place.
Okay, so this place is actually really famous, Khao Soi. It's called Khao Soi Mae Sai. As you can see, this place like crowded right now. It's good for like locals. Everyone's come here every morning. Have some Khao Soi, beautiful Khao Soi, delicious Khao Soi. Yep, and that's pretty much it.
And what do you order in there? What's a little Leon secret? Give him a secret of what to order.
Actually, like I really like Khao Soi beef. It's really good because the beef is like melting in your mouth and like everything is good. And then like I hope you come here and try this Khao Soi because look at that.
Yeah, obviously you're gonna have to either wait in line or maybe come just before or just after the lunch rush. We got a number, we got a ticket. I'm gonna take Leon's advice and go in and have the beef, and I'll tell you all about it. Loading up our first bite here. Leon's got us with the beef. We both got beef. Ready, Haley? 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, Leon steers you in the right direction.
Yeah.
We're gonna enjoy this. Haley and I are here. We're enjoying this with a lovely young Thai couple here who's introduced us to what might be the best Khao Soi in all of Chiang Mai. Let us finish it up and then I'll tell you how much it was, because that's also some good news. So that was absolutely delicious, delicious stuff. And as I said, the price is amazing. It was 45 baht for the Khao Soi with chicken and 50 baht for the Khao Soi with beef. I splurged, got the Khao Soi with beef. You're talking like about $1.50 for a bowl of rich, delicious, hearty, northern Thai Khao Soi right here in Chiang Mai. It's gorgeous out. Best time of year to come to Chiang Mai is I would say October, November, let's say November, December, January. The weather's perfect. There's a little teeny tip for you. Head on up to Chiang Mai. Anytime's great except burning season, but those months are spectacular. So enjoy, and if you're looking for some Khao Soi, check out this place.